Hello, my name is Brian Wallander. Today I'm on site performing an audit. We're looking for suitable applications for Pipetite. If you're not familiar with Pipetite, it is a flexible sanitary seal for pipe and tube applications to form an airtight seal when your pipe passes through walls or floors. So if you're a facility that has piping passing through your exterior walls, you would really want to consider Pipetite for these applications as well to help seal any of these penetrations, keeping water, dirt, bugs from getting inside your facilities. The Pipetite is rated for extreme conditions and very resistant for cracking and wearing. So for any existing applications like what we have here, where your pipe's already going through the hole, you'd want to use a reboot style Pipetite. It's where you can just cut it apart and wrap it around the pipe in the existing application. And now that we're finished installing it, this should be the last time that you have to do anything with this penetration. So here we have a good example of a Pipetite flat. Now you would use this in an instance where you had piping running through a wall and maybe you demoed it out or had to move pipe to a different location and you wanted to cover up your hole in the wall. This is a good example right here, Pipetite flat. You put it over it, screw it in, you're good to go. Now you can see again, we've got another instance here where this insulated line's passing through and you've got a big gap here in your hole. So this is another instance where your Pipetite reboot will come in very handy. As you can see here, they've got the Pipetite standard on this line passing through, but nothing on this insulated line. So you want to wrap your Pipetite reboot around. You get your base ring on there and set in place, and that'll kind of make it more rigid, allowing easier insulation. Now you want to put your staple on there. Starting at the bottom is probably going to make it easier. If you put the bottom of the staple in first, kind of locks it in place, and you work your way up, you can feel it snap into place. All right, now we're set pretty tight around that insulation. Let's scoot it up. And once again, you want to crimp these staples. Really locks in that seam. Now you just want to take your screws and screw the base in to your wall. All right, now as you can see, we've got the Pipetite reboot installed. We've got all the screws tightened down, the staple crimped, and everything is sealed tight around your pipe, sealed tight to the wall, preventing anything from going in or out. All right, so here we have an instance where we have piping passing down through the ceiling into a clean room. So this is a good application for Pipetite as well. All right, as you can see, we've installed the Pipetite reboot. Everything's screwed down and tightened. You've got an airtight seal around your pipe and your base, keeping any foreign objects from going into your clean rooms or your processing facilities. It's the one and done deal, and you are set to go now. Here we have a good application for our new product, Pipetite Sleeve Reboot, where we have a tube-and-tube transition going through a mezzanine or platform, dropping down to a lower floor, where you'd want to seal that penetration to keep any washdown procedures or anything else from going into a lower floor, contaminating any product. All right, and here we've got the Pipetite Sleeve Reboot installed and crimped down. Everything is tight, performing an airtight seal around your process line and your sleeve, preventing anything from going from this floor down to the next. Everything is sealed tight and good to go. Thanks for joining me today. If you'd like more information on Pipetite, a truly one and done solution for sealing wall and ceiling penetrations, call a Pipetite expert today.